Hey, why wonderful people. Today we back with another video, so please, as always, watch, like, and subscribe. Today we with a wash day video, as always, and I know if y'all been seeing my last couple of videos, y'all seen my hair was looking a hot mess, and we can't be having that out here in these streets. So today, I'm back at my best friend's house, and I'm washing my hair. Now, as always, I'm washing my hair with stuff I usually don't wash my hair with. But, hey, I always forget my stuff. And I always want to wash my hair when I don't got nothing. So, I just got to wash my hair. Anywho, I get right into it with the conditioner first. You see me combing it out. And me, when I take out my braids or if I take out anything, I don't comb my hair while it's dry. So, this is probably my first time combing my hair with the conditioner. And so, if you see a lot of hair coming out, it's really not a lot compared to how much will come out when I comb it, then wash it, and comb it while I'm washing it. But I'm using the purple shampoo. I'm using the Tresemme, the white, of course, the Tresemme, the conditioner. And that's my two things. But I'm washing my hair, and it felt so good. That scratch was well needed. Anywho, so you see my hair. And if y'all remember, I'm on the natural hair journey. And my hair be looking like it's trying to get back to the little curly state. But I don't know. Y'all see the shrinkage is real. Because y'all know my hair not that short. Y'all see the shrinkage is real. But them ends. Oh my God, they killing me. I just don't know what to do. But as you can see, I'm using a leave-in conditioner. And now I got this new product. It's by Cantu. And that's what I love so much. The new product is like a moisturizer cream activator. And when I say they activated something in my hair, they activated something. That right there. It activated something. I don't know what it activated, but it activated it. And y'all just see, I put the leave-in conditioner all over the section, and then I put the activator in the little sections. I comb through it and stuff like that. And that's just what I do. Anywho, now the thing about these twisties, I didn't do... I wanted to do them small twisties, but as always, they never small enough for me. But hey, my ends look so bad. That's one thing I hate about my ends. I thought it was heat damage. Another thing that can make your hair look like that is a relaxer. When somebody told me a relaxer can do that to your hair as well, I'm like, yeah, I def got a relaxer. And this week I wanted to do a perm reset, but I was like, I'm not about to sit here and do that if I know, it's not about to come out right, if it can't hold a curl. Because even when I do flat twists, my flat twists, they come out crinkly. And it's still cute, but if you, do flat twists, you know they're not supposed to come out crinkly. They're supposed to be, a mixture of crinkly and spiral. But, hey, whatever. So, I'm sitting here twisting it. The product was, I put a lot of product on because somebody told me on TikTok that you put a lot of product on, when it dries, your curls, your flat twists get fluffier. So I put a lot of product on. Now they did get a little bit fluffier. So I do believe that part, but it's still this fucking relaxer or heat damage or whatever you want to call it. I swear to God, I would never go to a hair salon ever again. If I go, slap me before I get there. Anyway, I forgot what I was saying. Oh, I didn't want to do a perm reset because, how my hair is. And since I'm on my own, natural hair journey, I'm just going to keep doing it. Because for you to get from okay to beautiful, well, I'm beautiful regardless. But for you to get from A to B, you need to go through the ugly stages first. So, I was like, I'm just going to keep doing flat twists. Keep rocking my flat twists until my natural state come back together. I'm just going to keep putting in curl activators. Because for real, I not I always not always, but I had this problem with this salon before, and somebody told me it was a relaxer. But after I washed my hair about the third time, it was already back to the curls. This is the first time this happened, and the curls didn't come back at the third wash. My wash, I'm on wash 4 since the last time I went to the salon. And as y'all can tell from my last videos, I'm on a natural hair journey. So if you got any tips that I can do for a natural hair journey, and no, I'm not cutting my hair, I cut it before, so it's not a problem with cutting it. But if it's not damaged, then there's no point in cutting it. Because even with a relaxer, you can still grow your hair with a relaxer in your hair and just trim it off little by little. And me, I still like my length. Not for straightening, but as you can see, my twists hang to the shoulder. So it's I want my length. And I like how my curls, how my flat twists be coming out sometimes. But today, on the top, I didn't want to do the style like I did last time since the front of my hair was short. So I just wound up doing like flattened visuals all through the thing. Please don't mind my jacket. I'm really supposed to be leaving, but my husband got there too early. And y'all see that? Y'all see like how the curl just came back? Yeah, that's what I'm trying to get with my whole head. And another thing I want to do, like as soon as I get like my hair to the natural state, I really want to do like a wash and go. Like I never did that a day before in my life. And I tried to do it once as a child, and it just didn't work at all. When I tried to do it when I was younger, what happened was it just went into a freaking poof ball. Like it didn't even curl up or nothing. But somebody told me that you gotta like not make it curl, but you gotta work with it. So you gotta like brush it out, put your fingers through it. You gotta like make the curl. You just don't put the product in and it come. Even if your hair do come to a curly state, which a lot of people here do. I know mine is one of them. Even your hair comes to a natural curly state, you still gotta work with it. So yeah. And I'm so happy I do voiceovers, because if I didn't and I just talk to y'all regular, y'all would hear a lot of stuff y'all don't hear. Y'all don't need to hear. And I would have to do all my videos over and over and over again. But as you can see, like you can see the product in there. And that's how you know I'm using a lot of product. Just using a lot. But anywho. But if you got any more like tips and tricks on a natural hair journey, and my phone also kept falling. But if you got any tips or tricks on a natural hair journey, like what else I can do and stuff like that, I always know you can do braids. But I'm sick and tired of braids. Like, even though weave make my hair grow, I'm sick and tired of braids. Like, I want to go to wearing my hair out, like with natural styles, only because I feel like as a child, I only thought I could wear my hair out as like straightened. But if I knew I could like do flat twists and stuff like that as a child, I would have did that. Only because I like my hair out. I just don't like all the weaves and pulling. That's why I stick to braids, because that's the less maintenance. Less like maintenance. But it's like now I don't want like braids no more. Like now when I do braids, I do a crown, and my middle would be like not done at all. So I'm like, I gotta stop doing that. I'm wasting all this money on braiding here. I would braid around my head. I be having like 4 packs in the house that be untouched but open, because I get the 3 in a pack jar. So I be getting that's untouched, and then it get messed up and stuff like that. So other than flat twists, I want some styles. So if you know any styles, please put it in the comments below and stuff like that. And I'm done one side. I'm almost done. This was actually faster than I thought, surprisingly. And this video is faster than I thought, because this video was originally like an hour. So that means it took me like an hour and a half to do my hair. And then I just sped it up for y'all, because of course I wanted to talk. And guess what? I talked through the whole video. I'm trying to get better at talking through the whole video. Only because it's like, y'all, if y'all see my last videos, y'all see that I talk, play some music, come back, talk again. So I need to learn how to start talking through the whole video, because this ain't that. Can't keep playing music. And I'm trying to get monetized. I tell y'all 2 sentences and I'd be like, all right, bye. Like, no. I need to talk to y'all. So talk to me in the comments, please. And thank you. But anyway, I'm almost done. And I like to just stop. I wish my parts was smaller. But my hair is like so thin. If my hair wasn't so thin, I swear I would really I'm sorry, I need to drink. But I swear if my hair was like a little bit thicker, my parts would be way smaller. I don't know if y'all be seeing the people that be having like the real small parts, but they like twists be like a nice healthy size. And if y'all notice, this is about my 4th video with my wash day, with my journeys. So like my 2nd wash day, then I did a braid style, flat twist and stuff like that. So this is about my 3rd style that I didn't clip my ends. So next video I'm gonna clip my ends. Or I'm just gonna do a regular video of me clipping my ends, and then it's gonna be another video of me doing my hair. But after this, I might low-key go into wearing puffs or something. I don't know. Because I was really mad at somebody in this video. But that's why it really took so long. Anywho. I might just go into wearing puffs, and then after that, I go back into like flat twists and stuff. But ever since I learned how to do a flat twist, I swear to God, flat twist is the only thing I know, only thing I do. My mom got sick of them. She said, I showed you how to do flat twists one time, and then you don't like them. Because my mom didn't do flat twists as a child. She always did braids, but she knew how to flat twist. And she showed me how to do it one day because my hair, I went to the salon, and my hair was getting old. So I put in a ponytail or something. She was like, no, flat twist it. You can like still do stuff with it. It's not bone straight no more, but you can still do some stuff with it. So ever since she taught me how to flat twist all day, every day. All day, every day. And I got so tired and lazy. And I'm on the last one. But if you can see, like, mine, I should have like tightened them down or whatever. But that's the end of my video. Please make sure you like and subscribe. And be back every day for a new video. Thank you. Bye.